Alright, this is our first fiber client in the town of Bronson. It's a business. So as you can see, fiber is coming straight to the inside of the building. That's our Gpon. And the Gpon is powered by the PoE. And my computer right now is plugged in straight to the Gpon before plugging it into their existing router. They don't have to change that. So that will keep everything the same. And we have here the speed test application, and we start it. And they signed up for the plan 100-100, but if they needed more, we're willing to give. We really consult with people. We don't want to give them a plan that they don't use, so we track their usages, and then from there we'll suggest what plan is good for them. But if somebody want more, we'll give you more. There's no issue. So this client is signing up for 100 up and 100 down fiber here in the town of Bronson by WVW. And this is our first client, and we need more clients. So if you have a business or residential in the town of Bronson, please reach us out. We are located across from the post office in the old sign shop, which is still a sign shop owned by Christina. And she can guide you and see what your needs are. And as you can see here, fiber is coming straight to the building, right?